Hey, come on in to compare notes on life and its many elements and surprises. I'm Ellen, here to share one short tutorial at a time. Come on, let's go, for this is about us, about you, for you. Hey, here we are. Welcome to this short notes on life tutorial, also episode 2 of What's this lateral thinking anyway, and what will it do for you? Remember last time what we have established about the so-called safety box way of thinking. Look. So we can dispense with this and are now officially boxless. Let's venture out to pastures new. Yes, of course, more risk of failure, more risk of disappointment, and more risk of success. Let's quickly go to the rest of the list of what this lateral thinking is all about and what it can do for you. So, on with the list of elements for lateral thinking. Welcome the unexpected. Ask it questions. Be curious. Embrace it. Be curious is always good. Ask questions also of yourself. Question motives, causes, reasons. Why am I here doing when I'd much rather be there doing? Hang on. See what I mean? Because if you choose, you are not the little hamster or guinea pig in its cage running its little wheel, its little treadmill. Not. I like that thought. Changing thought's direction. I have a good example. A former colleague, his dad, was city archaeologist. Then the latest, greatest credit crunch cost him his job. And it was suggested to him, become a lecturer or history teacher. Fine. Only he did not want that. So he gave it a good, proper think. And he came up with this. University, yes, but not as lecturer, as student. He went to study law, and this a few short years before reaching pension age. How about that? And for him the connection was easy, simple even. You see, archaeology is very precise. You have to record all these minutiae in a very, very precise way, like the law, with its many fine and even finer points. And what it did for him is steer him away from being stuck, from being at a serious dead end. See what I mean? Of course you do. Food for thought. Invention and innovation is probably partly, totally, completely dependent on this unrestricted, unboxed in lateral way of thinking. Think about it. There came the wheel, became the horse and carriage, became the horseless carriage, and now we still use the term horsepower carriage is car. Where would we be with modern medicine, with vaccines, with clothing, housing ourselves, with everything? The list is literally endless. And with boxed in thinking, we women would still be boxed in corsets, working hard for the next breath, instead of working hard at our work. There. So, here we are, down paths less traveled or not traveled at all. Your choice. But maybe we can say we are now officially safety boxless. Doesn't exist. There you go. I must say, it's my way of living. I resist the inner voice that wants to steer me towards the familiar, the same old, do what you did, get what you got, keeps you safe. Because I just simply found out it doesn't keep me safe. So I always go the other way. Fork in the road, choices to make, try new ways, new paths, take the risk. Do I fail? I shall not bother you with my long list of fails. But that doesn't keep me from trying and trying again and failing better, and then actually feeling better for having tried, explored new ways, met new people along the way, learned new skills along the way, going, aha, I thought maybe that's for me, but it's not. Okay, backtrack a bit, and let's go a bit more towards that direction again. One foot in front of the other, creating the path as I go along. I can only say it got me this far. No regrets. They don't work. No regrets, just hard work. You put in the hours. Oh yeah. You know, I wish you lots of luck. I really do. Now go. Travel. Before you run off, meet again next time, sort of here-ish. Deal. See you.